You just graduated, you got the diploma, you might even have the first job, but you also have bills. There wasn't a personal finance for beginners course in school. So now what? If you're overwhelmed by adulting and finances, you're not alone. I'm May. I spent 13 years in corporate before achieving financial freedom. Today, I've partnered with Freedom Debt Relief to share 6 money tips for recent grads. While we go grocery shopping, let's start. Tip number 1 is the foundation of everything: budgeting for beginners. Forget those scary, complex spreadsheets for a second. Think of your monthly income exactly like a grocery trip. When you're new to budgeting, start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your list is for your needs. These are your essentials like protein and veggies, which in the real world equate to your rent, utilities, and insurance. 30% is for your wants. This is for the fancy cheese, chocolate, or pre-cut fruit. This is for dining out, entertainment, and your hobbies. And 20% is for pantry staples. By stocking your shelf now, it ensures you have the foundation needed to protect yourself from financial hunger later. Now that you have a paycheck, the biggest trap is lifestyle creep. It's when your needs list gets unnecessarily fancy. Instead of a store-bought pasta, you're suddenly buying the specialty imported brand. In real life, that's the luxury car lease or the apartment that's way over 30% of your income. Keep your fixed cost low now so you have more money for pantry staples. Why do you need so much money in pantry staples? Well, it has 3 main functions. First, it's your emergency rations. This is your emergency fund. Think of it like having a backup generator or a full pantry when the power goes out. It's the safety net that ensures you can still eat if you lose your job or an unexpected bill hits. Second, it's used to manage debt. Think of high interest debt as expired pantry items. They take up space, offer no nutritional value, and can even leak and ruin everything around them. By throwing the expired items out, aka paying down the debt, it frees up space in your pantry for items that will actually grow your wealth. Finally, you can use these staples to fund your retirement. Think of it like proofing dough. Someone who creates the dough in the morning gives the yeast in the mixture enough time to rise. By dinner time, it is ready to bake. Someone who creates the dough an hour before dinner time is not going to get the same rise, ruining the texture of the bread when baked. The last money tip is to protect your credit score. There are 4 components that go into a credit score. A late payment is like spoiled milk. It makes your whole credit history stink for a long time. Pay on time every time. Lenders want to see clear counter space. Keep your credit utilization under 30% so they know you are not overwhelmed by debt. This is your oldest credit card. It's reliable and has history. Don't close your old accounts. That seasoned history is a prize tool for your credit score. Applying for 5 cards at once is like having 5 chefs in the kitchen. It's chaotic and looks desperate to the banks. Personal finance for beginners means being consistent with the basics. If this grocery shopping trip helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.